This guide will explain the integration of single sign-on (SSO) functionality using Kong Gateway and Keycloak. In this workflow, a client initiates a request, which Kong Gateway seamlessly forwards to Keycloak for authentication. The microservice acts as a gatekeeper, ensuring that only authorized and validated requests proceed to access the sensitive database resources. Within the microservice domain, the request is forwarded to the PostgreSQL database via load balancers to fetch, manipulate, or store data as required.